Imagine a world where millions of crocodiles are farmed for their skin and meat. These ancient predators are not just a terrifying symbol of nature's power, but also a major player in global industries. From high-end fashion to exotic cuisine, crocodile farms in China are making billions every year. But what does it take to farm these dangerous creatures? How do they breed, grow, and get processed into products? Let's dive into the secretive world of crocodile farming, where technology, biology, and business come together to create one of the most lucrative industries in the world. Crocodiles have long been a symbol of strength and agility. With their sharp teeth and incredible bite force, these cold-blooded predators rule the waters they inhabit. In China, where crocodile farming is booming, these creatures aren't just feared, they're harvested for their skin and meat. With a market that generates up to $9 billion annually, crocodile farming has become a multi-billion-dollar industry. But the process of farming crocodiles is more complex than it might seem. Let's break it down. The journey begins with the eggs. Crocodile eggs are crucial to farming, as they are the foundation for growing the population of these reptiles. To ensure the eggs have the best chance of survival, crocodile farmers take meticulous care in preparing the nesting areas. A thick layer of sand is spread in specific regions to create the ideal environment for the eggs. These eggs are then transported to hatcheries, where scientists maintain a specific temperature and humidity to optimize hatching rates. The optimal temperature range is between 29 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius, and it typically takes around 65 to 90 days for the eggs to hatch. Once the baby crocodiles hatch, they are transferred to rearing tanks. These tanks provide the crocodiles with clean water and enough space to grow. The tanks are designed to simulate the creature's natural environment as much as possible. The care and attention given to the baby crocodiles in these tanks are crucial for their growth and survival. They are closely monitored for health, and their environment is regularly cleaned and adjusted. After months of care, it's time for the farm to reap its rewards. Crocodile farming is driven by demand. Some crocodiles are kept to breed more, while others are sent to processing facilities where they are processed for meat and leather. Crocodile meat is a prized delicacy in certain regions, especially for its tender texture and nutritional value. Processing crocodile leather is another lucrative aspect of the industry. Leather from crocodiles is highly sought after in the fashion world. The leather is tough, durable, and carries an exotic appeal that makes it a popular choice for luxury products like handbags, shoes, and belts. However, this has raised concerns from animal rights activists who argue that farming crocodiles for their leather is inhumane. Critics claim that killing crocodiles for their skin is unnecessary and cruel. This controversy has sparked debates about animal conservation, ethics, and the sustainability of crocodile farming practices. Crocodile farming has been met with criticism, but the industry continues to grow. While the demand for crocodile leather is strong, the farming process has undergone significant technological advancements. Today, crocodile farms use sophisticated machinery to help with various stages of production, from egg incubation to the final processing of meat and leather. The process of harvesting crocodile meat and leather involves careful handling and precise techniques. Skinning a crocodile is not a simple task. The skin must be removed carefully to preserve its quality. The meat is then processed into different cuts, which are packaged and sent to markets worldwide. The leather, once removed, is treated and tanned, ensuring it meets the high standards required by the fashion industry. This entire process requires a significant amount of labor and expertise. It's not just about raising crocodiles. It's about managing the entire ecosystem of the farm. From breeding to processing, each step must be carefully coordinated to ensure efficiency and profitability. Farms invest in advanced technology to monitor the health of the crocodiles, regulate their environment, and optimize the breeding process. Despite the concerns, crocodile farming plays a vital role in the global economy, especially in countries like China. The demand for crocodile products shows no signs of slowing down. Luxury fashion brands and high-end restaurants continue to seek out crocodile skin and meat for their products. The industry provides jobs and contributes to the economy, but it also raises important questions about sustainability and animal welfare. The ethical debate surrounding crocodile farming is complex. On one hand, the industry supports economic growth and creates jobs. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the treatment of animals and the impact of mass farming on species conservation. It's a delicate balance between maintaining a profitable industry and ensuring that ethical and sustainable practices are followed. Crocodile farms must also address the challenges posed by the potential overexploitation of crocodile populations. With the high demand for both crocodile meat and leather, there is the risk of over-harvesting, which could threaten the species in the wild. While crocodile farming is a controlled environment, it is essential to ensure that the breeding process is sustainable and that the farms adhere to conservation efforts to protect wild crocodile populations. Crocodile farming is a booming industry driven by the demand for meat and leather. While it has raised ethical concerns, it also plays a significant role in global commerce. The process of farming crocodiles involves advanced technology, careful breeding practices, and precise processing methods. Whether it's for fashion or food, the industry has found a profitable niche in the global market. Let's continue this journey together, exploring the remarkable and often unexpected ways our world works. See you in the next video.